Astrology time, Shane here, daily-astrocat.com, and today is Sunday. It is the 16th of August, and our moon is in Libra all day long, so this is going to be kind of cool, right? There's a restorative feel to today that will begin with what was accomplished by that Mercury-Jupiter conjunction yesterday, right? Feeling good about that stuff, right? Hopefully you are. Hopefully you had a pretty easygoing day, and it was a powerful day. Now, today, we've got that moon in Libra. We had that moon in Virgo yesterday that was void of course up until 10:20. Then the moon entered Libra. Now we're in Libra. So what we've got going on is we have the words that have been said have been converted into either energy or rewards. And that energy is free to multiply. Now, does that mean words or rewards? Those clever things that I told you that I write down that I mess up? Yep. That's what they are. Words have been converted into energy, and that energy is free to multiply. Now, does this mean more words, or is it rewards? We're going to find that out tomorrow, okay? That's not to be dealt with today. Today's kind of an easygoing day. Let today take you wherever you want to go, okay? This is a perfect day to release any excess tensions from the eclipse that may have built up, that eclipse in Leo, right? We're demanding less. We're keeping the peace and otherwise enjoying a wonderful waxing crescent moon. I hope you got to see it last night because it's grace in the sky with Venus. The moon set was stunning the previous evening, and you get to enjoy the beauty of Venus in her own sign of Libra. And today's keyword is actually beautiful. The color is a luminous orange cloud. Now, the moon's presence with Venus in Libra is pointing out some of the Leo flaws today. You might pick up on some of that. That might be the only little rocky part of today, right? That's because of those nodes shifting, right? Impatient, imperious, boastful behavior. It won't get you anywhere today. It weakens the positive traits of the courage, generosity, and innate creativity that Leo can bestow upon the season, to its natives, and also to us in a little bit, because we're in that Leo season, right? The very last part of it. So go for the positive stuff and give up that other stuff that's behind us, okay? Now, the nodal shift will begin to erode and weaken patriarchal institutions, okay? And this is just the beginning because we are strengthening our senses, the sense of community, our sense of social justice, and a return of power to the people. This is going to be felt subtly today. It'll start creeping in a little bit. Remember that the effect of the solar eclipse, the past solar eclipse, is going to reverberate and echo all the way until the next one that's going to occur in Aquarius later on in early 2027. Now, the moon is actually focused in Libra from 12:27 p.m. on. So after noontime here on the East Coast, like 12:30-ish, it's a focused moon. So it's going to be charming and diplomatic behavior all across the board, right? It's the preferred mode of expression until the moon is void of course on Monday. So we got a long way to go for this. This is a great time for back-to-school shopping, perhaps, if that's on your list, because you got a great eye for it, right? And color matching and everything like that. Libra, balanced, harmonies. And you should be able to find a bargain today, and who doesn't love that? Now, later on, you can make your home beautiful. So think about that. It's a great way to round out this agreeable Libra energy. Either that or just, some food, something like that, something nice. Any ideas that may come to you after 12:27 p.m. should be immediately considered, however, and acted upon. Why? Well, keep your ideas moving and keep them fresh. Because after all, Libra is a cardinal air sign. It's where we can think of some things, perhaps in support of that, the nodes, the Pluto, the Aquarius focus. Yes, that might be very good. Now, I have been so long and verbose for the last couple of days. We've been running into 13-minute territory. Today, let's head back towards some safe territory, right? We're going to keep this relatively short. In 1974, the American punk rock band, the Ramones, debuts in concert at CBGB's in New York City on this date in 1974. And our birth You can't get any more Leo than this, right? 1933, Julie Newmar. She's an American actress, and she was Catwoman on Batman, right? The TV series, and she's also in a movie called The Living Doll. She's born in Hollywood, California, and still around. So there you go. Julie Newmar, happy birthday. And that's all I have for you. I want to thank everybody for supporting the channel here and for helping me out. I appreciate and love every single one of you, all the shares, all the likes, all the saves, all that stuff, the sending it forward, the messaging it to friends makes a huge difference. Yeah, I'm going to try to get that website back up and running, get some more functionality built into some things. Got some things that we're working on, right? We're working towards. I've gotten back to some folks about readings and stuff like that. Don't want to make it the focus of what we do here on the channel. However, it is helping us to, it's just fun. Okay, I got to tell you, having a ball with it. So thank you so much. Appreciate and love all of you. Today's keyword is beautiful, and the color is a luminous orange cloud. Today is a 7. Happy astrocatting.